Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I have another kitchen product review episode for you, and I'm going to be reviewing these silicone lid covers by EcoLifeMate. First of all, I really like these. If you've watched my show in the past, you know that I really enjoy silicone products to begin with, and these ones do not disappoint. The idea here is to kind of reduce your need to buy and throw away plastic wrap. I personally still have plastic wrap, but the same roll of plastic wrap is going to last for quite a long time. And these silicone covers just work really awesome. So let me bring the camera in for a closer look and do a little demonstration for you. First off, in the package, you wind up getting 12 different lid covers, so 2 of each size. And you also get one of these silicone bags, and I really like these. I did a video on these bags in particular several months ago. I'll put a link where you can find that review as well. And these things are just really awesome. Some things to note is they have these little grip grooves on there, which makes it easy to hold. The silicone is really stretchy, so it helps to get onto a larger size bowl or container. And of course they're reusable. And the plastic itself is made as BPA free. I know people are really concerned about that. And cool thing about these is you can use them in the microwave, in the freezer. They're dishwasher safe as well. So pretty cool. So let's do a little demonstration. So let's say I have this little glass bowl and I have some kind of liquid in there that I want to save. Normally I put some plastic wrap on there. Or what you do is just come in here with your lid, stretch lid, and just put it on like that. And it creates a tight little seal, and the little grooves makes it really easy to hold and it won't slip out of your hand. Now watch this. I'm straight up putting some force on there, shaking this thing. No water is coming out. Isn't that cool? Now you couldn't do that with plastic wrap. Really neat. So this one, again, same thing. You just come in here. And then it has these little tabs that you can use to help get it more even if you want. And even if you put it on kind of like uneven, it's totally fine. It still creates a nice seal for you. Really, really cool. It's a neat cover to help you reduce your need to buy plastic wrap. Well, there you go, a short little look and review of the silicone lid covers by EcoLifeMate. Last thoughts, I really like these silicone lid covers. It's a great way to reduce your consumption and the need to buy plastic wrap, and it's great for the environment as well. And you know, I love silicone products, and these do not disappoint. If you want to pick some up, down below I'll put a link where you can grab those on Amazon. They are an affiliate link, so I will get a small percentage of the sale, but it won't cost you any extra. I am Matt Taylor, and this has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.